affection. Give me all your time, touch, money and attention. Pick me up after school, you can be my baby. Maybe we could go somewhere, get a little crazy. He's rich and I'm wishing he could be my Mr. Yum, delicious to the maximum. Chewing up like bubblegum on this pretty party flavor. He says on his favorite flavor.
Catch you round like a bitch, got the 645.
Am I sure? Oh, we're recording?
Yeah, you did it right, you did it right.
Yeah, that one.
Yay, okay.
Alright, Axel, get out. Yeah, you can get out. She's filming. Come on, George.